It's your money.
Nice. That is a nice one. Very nice.
In 6/2021, restrictions apply. New choice double play 200 megabits per second customers only. Equipment, taxes, and fees, including VTVP extra and subject to change. After promo, regular rates apply. Actual speeds vary and not guaranteed. Gig upgrade offer limited to standard plus more with 2-year agreement. Gig Wi-Fi requires gigabit internet and compatible X-Fi gateway and is shareable across devices.
The following is a test of the emergency alert system.
Spring has sprung, and we're all spending more time outside. I know I am. Michael J. Meadows Farms Nurseries plant a little happiness in your yard with their enormous screening sale. All VIP customers get 10% off all in-stock arborvitae, skip laurels, even Nellie Stevens hollies. Just perfect plants. Provide